Welcome to Caching Waves. We are revisiting Maverick Protocol. If you remember, I went over it about a month ago waiting for a breakout. It's happening. Current market cap 307, 200 million market cap. 307 on Coin Market Cap list. If you remember, we were tracking this to the upside right in this area because we were at price discovery potential. Had this as a rough diagonal with a running flat. As I always mention, that's a very bullish sign. We're waiting for this wave count to show itself, basically, and now it has. So we had our wave 1 up in a diagonal, running flat for our wave 2. We came to the 3.82 just on the first A wave and made a higher high for our C. If we go down to the 1 hour, you can see we were right in our B zone where we pivoted. Back to the 4 hour targets, there is discrepancy on targets, but we are in price discovery, so it's going to be difficult until we see the waves pan out to track them. Now, if we get a standard wave 3, as per guidelines, we're at 274 for our third wave in blue. That's the only target I'm going at for right now, but off our second one too, I'll dig into this in a moment, our target would be between 151 and 181 for this third wave in blue. So again, similar to dog with hat, if we hit that, that would take us between the 1.236 and the 1.382. So we'd expect just a 1.618 for our fifth if that ends up happening, or we get that extended fifth blow off like you see in a lot of previous bull markets. So let's go down to this area. I am in this now, by the way. So we have a 1, 2 as a running flat, 5 waves down for our C, which is perfect. We then had a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Looks like this is most likely the running flat right there, 4, 5. Not the cleanest count, but it is there. You can get 5 out of that. After that, we had a 3-wave correction to the downside, most likely a WXY as a ABC. We had a running flat, or expanded flat, sorry, X, and then a Y in 3. You can see we're moving up in a impulse right now. I am in this currently. Stop is at this wave 1 high because I have this currently as a wave 4, so it shouldn't come back and overlap with wave 1. Now I will be stopped out if this is another nested 1, 2 and we come back. I'm fully aware of that, but I'm considering that this is breaking out above the high, so the way I'm doing it is to get as much position size as I can. If you want to be on the safer route, not financial advice, you do what you want, you can put it at the wave 2 low. This just gives me about double position size than if I put it at the low. And if I get stopped out, no problem, I will re-enter and put the stop at that wave 2 low. All right, so this one is quite interesting. That's why I always put alerts on my charts, because if you go back, check my last MAV video, we were looking for this to break out. It was just really choppy, hard to get a clean count, and now that we're breaking out, it appears like we are impulsing to the outside in price discovery. Let me just clarify that it is price discovery. Yes, price discovery. Okay, so that looks good. So I have this as a 1, 2, 1, 2 breaking out in the third, or a 1, 2, 1, 2, make another 1, 2. I get stopped out and I look to re-enter, stop at that low. So yeah, guys, this was MAV. Good thing we stayed with it. We are consolidating, or we did consolidate above the previous highs and now are technically in price discovery. All right, that's it for this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos if you want to see the other setups for the day, and I'll see you on the next one.